sometimes people are saying very nice sweet words. Some people also this type of, some people also not good. This is the nature of this material world. Good person, bad person, many persons. So, tolerance. And only thing, learn one verse. What is that? Tattenu kampam susamikshmanu punjana ivatmu kritavi pakam idbhagva purvi vidhanna jiva mukti padisadai. You know this sloka? Who knows? What is it? What is the meaning?
I don't know the translation, but it's about tolerating everything that happens. It's like our past deeds. It's because of our past actions that everything is happening now. So we have to tolerate, always doing pranams to Krishna and with patience.
Tattenu kampam susamikshmanu punjana ivatmu krito vipakam. Brahmaji, he recited this verse and prayed to lotus feet of Krishna. When Brahmaji he realized Krishna is the supreme personality of God, he is Bhagavan. First Brahmaji thinking Krishna is not Bhagavan. Maybe he an ordinary cowherd boy. Why? First he is thinking Krishna is Bhagavan. Because when Krishna, he delivered the, what is it called, Aghasura. When Krishna and Sakas, they entered in the mouth of Aghasura. Then Krishna killed Aghasura. This story. Then Aghasura's Atma, soul, came out from it and wandering in the sky. When Krishna came out from the mouth of Aghasura, then same Aghasura's Atma entered in the toenails of Krishna. Then Brahmaji, he realized, oh, Krishna is Bhagavan. Because Shastra is saying, those asuras killed by Lord Vishnu, Harina Hata, killed by Lord Vishnu Hari, they get the Sajija Mukti and enter in the body of Lord. It was Sajija Mukti. So Brahmaji, he is confirmed Krishna is Bhagavan. Now Krishna is Narayan Tattva, Bhagavat Tattva. Next day, another lila Krishna performed. Krishna herding the calves with his friends and eating their remnants. Then Brahmaji's mind disturbed. Why? Because Brahmaji is thinking, if Krishna is Narayan Bhagavat Tattva, so how Krishna is taking the remnants of cowherd boys? Everybody want to take the remnants of Krishna. Even Lakshmi Devi, even Narad Rishi, Shiva, all they want to take the remnants of Vishnu or Narayan. But Narayan is never, Narayan is taking remnants from his devotee. And no one can give also. Who will give Narayan remnants to Narayan? Even not Vaikuntha. Any devotee of Vaikuntha, they will not give their remnants to Narayan. Even Lakshmi Devi also knows. Lakshmi Devi is the consort of Lord Narayan. Understand? Generally, wife she can give her remnants to her husband. Husband can give remnants to wife. But in Vaikuntha not possible. Lakshmi Devi, she will not give her remnants to Narayana. Sita Devi, Ajodhya, Sita Devi also not, she is giving her remnants to Ramachandra. Even queens of Dwaraka, they also will not give their remnants to Krishna. So now Brahmaji's mind disturbed, confused. How possible Krishna is Bhagavan, Narayana? Then Brahmaji said, if Krishna is Narayana, Bhagavat Tattva, Bhagavan is one qualification. What is that? Sarvagata, all-knowing power. Yeah? Sarvagata and Muktata. First is Sarvagata. If Krishna is Bhagavan, Narayana Tattva, then he will be know everything. So for this regard, Brahmaji he stole the cups and friends of Krishna and put in the cave. And then Brahmaji returned back. His Brahma Loka. Krishna is Bhagavan, Sarvagga. Oh, Brahma, he want to taste to me, I am Bhagavan or not. Okay. I have to give taste to him. And then Krishna one form manifested and one Brahma. Four-headed Brahma. And he came in the Satyaloka, Brahma's place, and told his goddess, hey, maybe someone will come, stop to him. Then Krishna, who manifested in the form of Brahma, entered in the Satyaloka. When Brahmaji came, original Brahma came, and that time his god stopped him. Hey, who are you? Who are you? I am Brahma. Hey, you are Brahma. You are duplicate Brahma. You are duplicate Brahma. You are not our master Brahma. And the security guard or Satyaloka, they did not allow to him to enter. But our Brahma, our master just entered. So you are duplicate Brahma. You are not our Brahma. Then Brahmaji is doing what to do now. Then, who came? Who manifested my fall? And entered. Then Brahmaji again returned back Satyaloka to Vrindavan, where he stole Krishna's covered boys and cups. Then when he came same place, then he became very surprised. Cups and covered boys, they are herding, they are also grazing and herding. Then Brahmaji became surprised. And then also Brahmaji, he saw Krishna, still he also wondering. First he saw Krishna, how he is wandering. Then where is my friend? Then Brahmaji saw, same Krishna is herding the cows, herding the calves, that are not cows, herding the calves with his friends. Then Brahmaji, what is he looking? I put all the calves and cows in the cave. Then Brahmaji, again he came, that the cave, that the cowherd boys and calves, they are completely fainted. Sometimes it's two Leelas here. And one is, Brahmaji is looking, the Krishna with his friends, cowboys, herding the calves. Or another in the cave, same calves and cow. Then Brahmaji became, maybe I confused. Then Brahmaji two heads. This side two heads, this side two heads. We are one, but Brahmaji four. So for two heads, this going to the cave where his friends, Krishna's friends are come to paint. Another, he was saying how Krishna is herding the calves with his friends. Then Brahmaji realized, oh, this is my offense. Then Brahmaji realized, oh, who manifested my form? Oh, Brahma, no, must be Krishna. Or who is this? Then Brahmaji, he came and he also stopped stuti to Krishna. No me date abrabo pose Tadida Ambaraya. And this sloka is Brahma Stuti. First sloka, Brahmaji glorified Krishna. No midate abrabo puse Tadida Ambaraya. Then Brahmaji again bow down his forehead. And the lotus feet of Krishna. Very nice piece. Nomi date abrabhapuse todit ambaraya. The stuti this. Then he stops stuti. Then, but still Krishna is not saying anything. Brahmaji is very clever. Then Brahmaji says, how to Krishna be pleased? If I glorify the Brajavasi, especially Gopis or Nanda Maharaj or Yashoda, then Krishna will be pleased. How to give pleasure to Krishna? If anybody glorifies to Braj Gopis or Brajavasis, then Krishna very pleased and his automatic heart will be melted. So Brahmaji he told this word. What are these slokas? No. Aho bhaggam maho bhaggam nanda gopa brijupasam janmitram paramanandam purna brahma sanatanam. Learn this sloka, very simple sloka. Aho bhaggam maho bhaggam nanda gopa brijupasam janmitram paramanandam purna brahma sanatanam. Simple meaning, hey Brahma, hey Bhagavan, I have to glorify to you. Your Brajavasis, residents of Braj, how they are fortunate. So, Aho Bhagyo Maho Nanda Gopar Brajupasam, those who are living in Nanda Braj, they are direct Nanda Gopa Brajupasam. Those who are living in Braj, Nanda Braj, in specific, this word Nanda Gopa Brajupasam. Those who are living in Nanda Braj, many people are living in Braj, different places. But here Brahmaji is saying, Nanda Gopara Brijavikusham. Not only, and they also making their friendship with Krishna as like they are Laukik Sadbandhuvat. So Nanda Gopara Brijavikusham Janmitra. Paramananda Purna Brahma Sanatana Krishna is Paramananda Purna Brahma. Especially Nanda, Jashoda, Gopis, how they are love and affection Krishna. Brother Sanatana Goswami very clearly explained. How to attend to 1,000 lives you do bhajan and sadhana. Very difficult to attend to Brija Prem. But if you make the friendship with Rasik Vaishnava, Brajavasis, not that nowadays Brajavasi, you will cheat. You think, oh, he lives in Brajavasi, he is not Brajavasi. He will be cheat your all your money and cut your head. You are thinking Brajavasi, you are not Brajavasi. Who is Brajavasi? One's heart completely absorbed with Braja Prem. Brajavasi not means those who are living in Brajavasi, they are not Brajavasi. Those heart completely absorbed in the mood of Braj. They are close. So Bhakti Siddhanta Prabhupada is who is Braj? Rup Sanatana is Brajavasi. Are those who are absorbed in the same mood of Rup Sanatana, they are Brajavasi. So don't you cheat. You will think, oh, he is Brajavasi. He is not Brajavasi, it's to be nonsense. Understand? Who is Brajavasi? One's heart completely absorbed in the same mood of Rupa Sanatana. So Bhaktivedanta Prabhupada is Rupa Sanatana is Brajavasi. And those who are doing bhajan and sadhana in the under guidance of Brajavasi. If you go Vrindavan, Panda will say, I am Brajavasi. Understand? Or they are drinking alcohol, stupid nonsense. Chewing the betel nut or doing anything. So how possible Brajavasi? Onion, garlic. Staying in Braj. Actually, they are not Braj. Brajavasi means one's heart completely absorbed mood of mood of Nanda, Jasoda, Subal, Siddham, Lulita, Radha. They are from Brajavasi. So Sanatana Goswami Pad explained, if you make the Loki Sadbandhuvat Priti with these types of Brajavasi, then attain to Krishna. And this is good. And Parikshit Maharaj asked this question, why gopis, they attain to Krishna, even they are not to Brahma Jnana. They have no knowledge that Krishna is Bhagavan. And they have no Shastra Jnana. Actually, gopis, they have Shastra Jnana, and master knowledge. And so here Parikshit Maharaj asked, not to Brahma Jnana. And how they attain to Krishna? And then Sukadeva Goswami became very angry. I told to you in the story of when Krishna he killed Sisupal. And in the 7th canto I told, if anybody absorbed with Krishna, then all their simple creatures attain to Lord. Kamad Goppa, Bhayat Kamsa. And gopis, they attain to Krishna with their transcendental lust. Kamad Goppa, Bhayat Kamsa, and Snehat Pandavas. So this is the process to have to attend to Lord. So here in this verse, just say, Oho Bhaggo, Maho Bhaggo, Nanda Gopal Vijay Kusam, Janmitram Paramananda Purna Brahma Sanata. Who is Parabrahma Bhagavan? Brahmaji told him, hey Prabhu, you are Parabrahma Bhagavan. Okay? Anandamaya is the embodiment of bliss, Anandamaya. Okay? But Brajavasis, they have love and affection with you. So, Oho Bhaggo, Maho Bhaggo, Nanda Gopa Vijay Gosam, Janmitram Paramananda Purna Brahma. When Brahmaji decided the verse, glorification of the Brajavasis, okay? Then Krishna smile comes. Okay? Then if when we smile, then you will think your कार्य हो जाएगा माने your object will be fulfilled. Understand? And if you go to the office, if you go to the meeting for any of your region, if he smile, then think yes, you will be successful. This is the symptom. Or if you do, mind is that will become very difficult. Yes. So when Brahmaji noticed that Krishna very pleased, smiling coming, then Brahmaji realized, oh, Krishna pleased with me. Actually, Krishna did not say anything to Brahmaji. Brahmaji used to do his talks to this Stuti. Then Brahmaji, when noticed, oh, Krishna now smiled, then Krishna pleased with me. And then very quickly, Brahmaji, he do sacrament to Krishna. But he have to submit to Krishna 4 times. But Brahmaji, he did only 3. Then he ran away. Why? Because Brahmaji afraid and he also forget to count how many. Vishwanath Chakravarti is saying this. Very quick to leave this place. It is better. If he is pleased with me, so don't stay longer. Maybe another question, then no problem. Understand? Go out. So now coming to Brahmas, then Brahmaji also, here Srimad Bhagavatam commentary Vishwanath, also Brahmaji then realized Krishna is Bhagavan. Then Brahmaji said, then Krishna manifests and his Ishtadev. Which Ishtadev? Brahmaji. Sita. And you know about the Siddhanta. Garbhodakshay Vishnu. Brahmaji is Ishtadev, Garbhodakshay Vishnu.
How can he pray to Krishna like this?
Huh?
How can he pray to Krishna in very
Hare Krishna. According to Tattva Siddhanta, there are no difference between Garbhodakshay Vishnu and Krishna. Siddhanta Tattva Vedesu Opi. See so Krishna.
Because he's becoming, he's there taking shelter.
Same Krishna manifested in the Garbhodakshay, Kridokshay, Kardokshay Vishnu. Kardokshay, then Garbhodakshay, then Kridokshay Vishnu. Same Paramatma, Super Soul. But Lord is one. But benefits, Brahmaji's Ishtadev, that is called Sasasisa Vishnu or Gurudoksai Vishnu. So for this he manifests 4 arms and showing I am you. In Chaitanya Charitamritam, 1st or 2nd chapter, then the conversation between Brahma and Krishna. When Brahmaji stops Stuti, then Krishna told, hey, I am not your father. Brahmaji told, hey Prabhu, you are Jagat Pita, you are also my father. So father will never take the offense of his son. Pita ko noy naloy putrer aparad. Father will never take the offense his son. So I am your son. So then Krishna told, hey, your father is Garudhasai Vishnu. I am a good boy, cowherd boy. How possible that Prabhu, you are Mool Narayan? In the conversation with this Chaitanya Charitamritam, I think 1st or 2nd chapter. You are Mool Narayan, you are origin Narayan. So this is Tattva Siddhanta. Krishna, you are learned Krishna Tattva Siddhanta. What the first Krishna Tattva? Many times I told. What the? Who is origin Krishna? What is his name? Swayam Rupe Braje Brajendra Nandan. You learn this look. Krishna Saru Vichar Suna Sanatan Advaigam Tattva Braje Brajendra Nandan. Learn this part. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu told Sanatan. Hey Sanatan, listen Krishna Tattva first. What is that? Krishna Saru Vichar. Listen the conception of Krishna Tattva. Krishna Saru Vichar Suna Sanatan Advaigam Tattva Braje Brajendra Nandan. Advaigam he is called non-dual, he is one. Advaigam Tattva Braje Brajendra Nandan. He is Brajendra Nandan, Samsundar, he is one. Eko meva parvam tattang sabi gachinta sakta sarupa tadrupa vai jiva pradhana rupena. Surja mandala tadrusmi padichavi rupena chaturdhavatishthati. He is one. What is he who is one? Who is originally is formed there? Braje Brajanandan. That is called Swayam Rup. Swayam Rupe Braje on Adhishthan. In Braj Vrindavan, Krishna is Swayam Rup. Krishna 3 Rup explains. Swayam Rup, Tadekatma Rup or Avesh. Do you understand? I many times I am saying, you are not understanding. Swayam Rup, Tadekatma Rup and Avesh. First Krishna manifesting. Original form is Swayam Rup. What is that Swayam Rup? Dibhuj Muralidhara, Samasundara. Remember. Jatirabhantare Dibhuj Muralidhara, Samasundara. In the effulgence, middle of the effulgence, then he Dibhuj Muralidhara, Samasundara. His 2 hands playing flutes, and this is his origin form. Understand? Krishna's Swayam Rup. Swayam Rup means which Rup not dependent on others' Rupa, not taking any other things. That is Swayam Rup. So Swayam Rupe Braje Brajendra Nandan. Then Swayam Rup again to Swayam Rup and Swayam Prakash. Then Prabhav, then Vaibhav. These are many things of the Tadekatma Rup. Narayan Tattva, Krishna. Then Baladev Prabhu. Then Baladev Prabhu to coming. Sankarshan, Mul Sankarshan, Mul Sankarshan. Then Karandoksai, Garbhodoksai. Then Krodoksai Vishnu. This is going on this way. Little bit to learn. If I tell to you too much, you cannot digest. Little. Then Swayam Rup, Tadekatma Avesh, he gives many potency to others. That is Avesh Avatar. Many his Avesh Avatar. These things. So in this way you can learn Krishna Tattva. So Swayam Rupe Brajendra. So Krishna, Brahmaji told, hey, you are my father. Then Krishna told, I am not your father. I am Gop boy. You are Brahmana. So how possible I am your father? Krishna first to cheat to him. You are Brahmana, you are Brahma, you are Brahmana. Or I am Gopjati. Gopjati. Gopjati means Vaishya caste. That time Krishna, Prabhu, don't cheat to me. Brahmaji told Prabhu, don't cheat to me. You are origin Narayan, Mool Narayan. Mool Narayan, origin Narayan is what? Krishna. Bhajandan Samsundar, his many names. Then he is coming this way. Krishna manifested in many forms. So saying Swayam Roop, Tadikatma Roop, Avis, Swayam Roop, Swayam Prakash, then Swayam Prakash, again to Abhi, what is called? Prabhav, Vaibhav, this way, Tattva is coming. Then Tadikatma Roop, Narayan Tattva, how he manifest. Then coming in the Baladev Prabhu. Baladev Prabhu, Krishna manifested in the form of Baladev Prabhu. Then Baladev Prabhu manifested many forms he is coming. Then he got what is called Sankarsan, Mool Sankarsan, Prabha, Vaibhav, many things. Then Braj or Dwaraka, different form is there. And Chaturbha, Hari Chaturbha, Dwaraka, Vasudev, Sankarsan, Pradyumna, Anuruddha. All things they have to learn. And if you give class Krishna Tattva, need and all chat come. Chat understand? Yeah. Now 8:30, quarter to 9. Fala português.
Esse Krishna, mesmo ele agir de uma maneira como uma pessoa comum desse mundo, ele é o próprio Krishna, ele é um Bhagavan. Então, mas no outro dia, Krishna foi fazer suas atividades normais, como sair lá, como chama isso? As desejos para pastar, com os sábios. Mas aí, quando eles estavam ali, eles estavam brincando, correndo, tomando prachada, trocando os seus, como os emanentes dos sacras. Então, agora a Brahma ficou muito confusa em relação a quem Krishna é. Então, ele decidiu meio que fazer um teste. Quando ele fez aquele teste, ele decidiu, eu vou esconder os desejos e os sacras e ver o que ele vai fazer. Se ele realmente for Bhagavan, que é uma das qualidades de Bhagavan, que ele não sabe de nada, mas ele também é sarvada, ele sabe de tudo. Então, se ele é Bhagavan, ele vai saber de tudo que eu estou fazendo. Então, ele fez isso, ele pegou os Vrajavasis e colocou eles no estado, o poder de Yoga Maya, eles ficaram em estado de transe, assim, digamos, ele colocou eles numa caverna. E ele foi ver, nesse meio tempo, ele voltou para sua morada em Satyaloka, mas Krishna, obviamente, ele sabia de tudo que estava acontecendo. Então, ele mesmo, na forma, ele manifestou uma forma de Brahma, ele foi até a morada de Brahma em Satyaloka e ali ele entrou e ele disse, para os seus servos, ele disse, se algum impostor fingindo ser Brahma, também parecendo ser eu, se ele vier, vocês não deixem entrar. Okay. Então aí Brahma, quando ele voltou, isso aconteceu, não deixaram entrar, ele ficou pensando logo, ele ficou meio confuso. Quando ele voltou para Braj, isso é rapidamente, em questão de momentos, mas em Braj, isso já tinha se passado mais de um ano. Quando ele voltou a Braj, ele foi ver se os rapinos ainda estavam ali na caverna, se eles estavam ainda assim como estavam antes naquele estado de trânsito, mas ele viu que todos os vaqueiros e tudo em Braj estava acontecendo normalmente como antes dele ter raptado, dele ter escondido tudo isso. Então ele ficou pensando, Maharaj estava explicando que com as suas 4 cabeças duas estavam vendo um lado, os rapinos ali na caverna, as outras duas vendo eles brincando e se comportando normalmente. Então ele começou a entender, ele entendeu aquele grão que está na minha morada, esse Krishna é o próprio Narayana. Então ele ficou preocupado em relação ao que fazer, e Maharaj fazendo primeiramente ele começou a oferecer reverências a Shri Krishna, se estava em silêncio, ele estava meio não prestando atenção. Então, Brahma ele começou, ele disse, não me ter Baba Buzeta Vidamharaya. E ele começou a oferecer reverências para ele. Mas Krishna ainda estava diferente, ele não estava dando muita atenção. Então, Maharaj ele explicou que, mas se uma pessoa realmente quer satisfazer alguém, ele vai verificar aquilo que ele tem apego, aquilo que ele apega, aquilo que ele ama. Então, Brahma ele começou, ele entendeu isso, porque Maharaj disse, é muito extremamente esperto. Então, ele começou a glorificar os Gradivasas. Ele disse, você é Purna Brahma Sanatana, mas ainda assim, as glórias dos Gradivasas, quando a relação que você tem com eles, tão doce, é extraordinária. Ele começou a glorificar os Gradivasas. Aí Maharaj disse, aí Krishna não pequeno sorriso entendeu. Então Maharaj está explicando que uma pessoa a gente quer satisfazer, está chateada, ela está feliz, então ele significa que a minha missão de satisfazê-lo foi bem sucedida, de alguma forma. Então, para ele, rapidamente, Maharaj disse que Vishnu Chakravarti por ele escreveu no seu comentário que Brahma ainda estava com medo, né, de tudo que tinha acontecido, da ofensa que ele tinha feito, de querer testar Brahma. Então, ele rapidamente fez o Paripurna de Krishna, mas ele não fez 4 vezes, fez 3 vezes e ele saiu correndo com medo de ficar ali. Então, Maharaj estava explicando, né, ele perguntou quem é o estabilidade adorável de Brahma, que é Karbotacharia Vishnu, que não é infeliz de Narayana, e como existem diferentes expansões, nossos gostos, nossas acharyas explicam diferentes expansões, como Swayambhu, Tadekatmadu, cada uma delas tem divisões que explicam as
Swayambhu, Avesh.
Swayambhu, Tadekatmadu, Avesh, Swayambhu também se dividem em Tadrup, Vaibhavi, Vaibhav Prakash.
Swayambhu, Tadekatmadu, Avesh. Swayambhu, again also Swayambhu and Swayam Prakash. Swayam Prakash again Swayam Prakash, 2. What is it called? Prabha and Vaibhav. Then Prabha Prakash, then Vaibhav Prakash. Many things. If I tell you, you can understand. Just something. Finish? Okay. Learn these slokas. Sam Brahmaspati learn. Tatte nukampan susamikshama vanjana ivatmo kritavi pakam idvako baburvi vidhan jivedja mukti padesh sadai bhava. You learn slokas. Some slokas. If you learn slokas, then I can speak fluently and so much bliss, ananda will come. Or if you not, just you listening, I am speaking, there is dry. Understand? You learn this word. Mumi date abrabo puse. I remember when Gurudev was giving class, very nice sweet melody. Then sweetness will come. About there 40 slokas are there, Brahmaspati. You cannot learn 40 slokas. If you are brain good, at least some slokas you have to learn. Namidati Abhase, Aho Bhagyo, Maho Bhagyo, and Tatte Nukampam. So, when you traveling, but when you do preaching, if anybody hears what this, you think this is the mercy of Lord. Tatte Nukampa. Anukampa means here. Mercy. Tatte nukampam susamiksham krita vipakam. Or this is coming according to my previous foot of action. This, so in this way, you tolerance. Follow.
Então, a gente está explicando aqui, nós iremos aprender, né, tentar aprender esses versos, porque quando ele falasse, nós soubemos o que ele está falando, para aprender diferentes versos, ele vai ter felicidade no que ele fala, vai poder falar livremente e o humor dele vai fluir. Então, por exemplo, na época de Gurudev, eles aprendiam os versos, como se Brahma tem mais ou menos 40 versos, então, por isso, a maioria das pessoas não possa aprender os 40 versos, mas um verso, chaves, assim, né, daquele estudo, nós podemos aprender e Maharaj ele vai falar, assim, facilmente e claramente.
8 o'clock. No, 9 o'clock. Okay. Learn mantra. Learning slokas or not?